Hello there, my Tulus. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house. Yeah. So, I'm super duper excited about today's video because I want to talk about 7 things that I have learned in my lock journey. I think this is going to be very helpful for those that are considering getting locks. I think it'll make a great conversation piece for those who already have locks. And I just want to get to it. Now, before I jump off into things, I want to say welcome to the new people that decided to stop in today and check out today's video. I hope you truly enjoy today's content and give me a big thumbs up to show your support and join this Tulip Nation, honey, because it is absolutely free and I'd love to have you be a part of this family. If you are new into what's going on in my lock journey, I have a card right above, right there, for you to check out my lock journey. If you're just now seeing this video, I am officially 7 months into my lock journey, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to share with you 7 things I've learned since I've been going through my journey. To kick this thing off, I cannot compare my hair texture to someone else's, which leads me to the next one. I cannot compare my hair locking process to someone else's. Which leads me to number 3. I cannot compare my hair growth process to someone else's. Come on now. I am at that weird stage, y'all. It's different for everybody, so you gotta do what it do to make yourself feel pretty. Nobody else can make you feel pretty. At this current stage in the process that I am in within my journey, I cannot use just any type of hair products. And that's to wash my hair. I cannot apply all types of hair oils and things of that sort into my locks in this current stage that I am in. My hair flourishes the most the more I keep my hands out of my hair. Now, a lot of people talk about how their hair just does well with just water. I have not gotten to that point where I feel comfortable only just applying water to my locks. However, predominantly the only thing I do to my locks is just wash them. So that concludes today's video. Those are the 7 things that I have learned up to this current point in my lock journey. Did this benefit anybody or any of you out there currently in your lock journey? If so, tell me, what stage are you in? Meaning, what month are you in? And what have you noticed so far in your process? If you have already met the 1-year mark in your journey and you are just advanced with your locks, did you experience any of these things that I've mentioned within these 7 months? Let us know down in the comment section below. I hope today's video was helpful. I'll see you Tulus in the next one. Smooches. So I have not done anything special with my locks. I am in a weird stage right now. So the only thing I did was like try to flat twist the top a little bit. Try to flat twist the side just a little bit, and girl, I'm rocking. That's it.